Hey everyone. So today I kind of wanted to show you guys this Desmos activity and kind of the fun way of showing how non-functions really work. So when you go in here, it'll have this thing of where it says sketch a graph, okay? If you notice wherever your mouse is, there's a line following with you. So you got to draw a graph, and you can honestly do something like you go like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and whatnot if you really wanted to. You can do basically anything you want. Here, I'll just erase this and try another one. But just kind of tinker around with it a little bit and just draw a graph. I go like this, and then I go that way and that way. Now, if you notice, I'm always moving to the right because down here it says time, and time is always moving. So on a graph, time's always moving to the right. So now watch what happens when I hit play. And my little turtle is he's following my graph. And he's doing what my graph told him to do. Forwards and backwards and so on and so forth. Okay, so you kind of just kind of play around a little bit with that. Draw different graphs. It's kind of fun. So here's another one. Just kind of, he goes up, and then he goes backwards, and he goes up, and he goes backwards, and it's just, again, following my line. So as you go on, he kind of asks you questions about describing this graph and the story behind it, and what the turtle does, and you keep going. And all these functions, if you notice, all these graphs are functions, because if I draw a vertical line through these, how many times do I hit it? Well, I only hit it once. That means one input, one output. So these are all functions. Technically, it's when you get to this one right here. This is not a function. If you draw a vertical line, you hit it once right here and once right there. So that means one input, two outputs. Okay, so as you continue, you'll see what happens to the turtle when he goes into this non-function section. And then you just have to ask yourself, can that really happen, yes or no? Kind of answer these questions, go through it, kind of play a little game where you have these little snakes and you're trying not to get hurt by anything like that, and see if you can do it, and whatnot. So anyways, that's just a little video on what we're doing. Thanks.